Hey guys, welcome back to another chop video, and this week we'll be making pancakes. So first off, get a large mixing bowl. Then you're gonna get 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a little baking soda, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to combine all of the dry ingredients, so just give it a mix, quick mix. Alright, so we're going to create a well in the center of the mixture. Add 1 large egg. Add 1 cup of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, so we're gonna mix the ingredients together until it's smooth. So if the mixture is too thick, you can add a little bit more milk to it to thin it out. Alright guys, so we're gonna turn the burner on medium. Yeah, so we're gonna grease the pan with a little bit of butter. Yep. And so when the pan is hot, you can use a ladle or a measuring cup to pour the butter into the frying pan. So you go like this. So when the bubbles start to form, just get a spatula. And flip it. As you can see, the top part is golden brown. Yep. So when the bottom side, when the reverse side is golden brown, you can take it out. It's pretty much done. Here you have it, guys. Some nice fluffy pancakes. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and send it to a friend, let them subscribe too. I'm out.